Welcome back, guys. So today we are solving the GFG problem of the day. It is an easy question, it's basic school level question. So before moving on to the question, please subscribe to our channel. We solve GFG problem of the days, lead code daily challenges, and all the contest solutions of Code Chef, Code Forces, and lead code you will get here. Okay. So let's see what the question states. It is a basic sequence type of mathematics question. We have to return the nth position of a sequence. Okay, so the sequence we are given is 2, 5, 16, 65. Okay, so we are given an integer n, that is our nth position. We have to return the value at the nth position of that sequence. Okay, so say, like here if the input is 4, then we are getting 65 as 65 is the fourth value present at the fourth position. Similarly, at the 10th position, this value is present in our sequence. Okay, so we return it this as our answer. So let's see what is the pattern. So if I do 1 into 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. And similarly, if I do 2 into 2 plus 1, I will get 5. So we are using this value in the next step, and we are multiplying with it with the sequence 1 2 3 4 and adding 1. Okay, similarly 5 is used here, and as in the sequence 3 is in this position, so we are adding it with 1 and we are getting 16. So 1 into 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 2 is used here. 2 into 2 plus 1 equals 5. 5 is used here, and 5 into 3 plus 1 equals 16, and 16 is used here. 16 into 4 plus 1 equals 65, and so on we go. Okay, okay, so let's comment it out and see what our solution is. So our solution is pretty basic. So uh, first we have to see if the n value is 1. Okay, if the n value is 1, we return 2. Okay, we don't go further, we return 2 from the beginning. Okay, because at the first the beginning is 2. Okay, so in the else part what we do is we start the sum from 2, because in the else part it will be always n value is 2 or more. Okay, so if n value is 2 or more, then 2 will be already there in the sum, and we have to again calculate further of it. Okay, like here if we were given what at ith value 2, means at ith position 2, what is the value? That means 2, that is the sum into I, that is 2 itself. Here you can see, so in plus 1, that is 5. Okay, so we get our sum here, and finally what we do is we at every step, you can see at every in the equation, at every part we do modulo 10 raised to the power of 9 plus 7. Okay, why we do that? Because it will exceed our limit. We are given that we have to modulo 10 raised to the power 9 plus 7. Otherwise what we could have done it, we could have declared m as 1 e 9 plus 7, and instead of this we could have written m only. Okay, so I can write only m here also. Okay, so we have to typecast this sum because we have taken it long, and we have to return int. Okay, so we have to typecast int to the sum, and finally we return it. Let's submit it and see. Okay, we are good to go. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel.